Cool. So what I just thought I'd show is a bit of this one. So this is a Tool Pro, not sponsored, gasket scraper. I find it really easy, really simple to use. Haven't sprayed this at all. This has just got the basic engine oil on it. Just very lightly running along that surface, and just taking anything off pretty much as it needs to. So pretty much just going to go over the whole engine. Yeah, it's just super light. Touch to it, not doing anything aggressive to it. Don't want to take any of the metal off. I just want to take that layer of gasket or liquid gasket off. If it does, not coming off with it laying as flat as it is, I can just angle it up and it'll start taking that off. Not too sure whether it's being captured on the video or not, but yeah, so she's pretty clean. I haven't done that bit yet, but all through here, I could probably come through, and what I will do is I'll wipe it all with something to just clean up all the oil. It's going to go through the parts washer anyway, but yeah, so I really like it. It's a good tool, better than a Stanley knife or something like that. There's a lot of mucking around with that. Done that for a few years, but now I'm just using something a little bit better. What I'll do is go smash out this, and then go from there. So cool. Cool, so you would have noticed that's a lot big of a chunk on the clutch cover. That's actually the paper gasket. So yeah, had to make a little bit more effort to get rid of it, but not too bad at all. It's going to come up nice and flat, and that's what we like for gaskets. Cool, so we're almost done that entire engine, entire surface. So we just got this little bit over here to do. A little bit of technique that I use. I just put my finger or a couple of fingers on the plate itself, just so I can get that consistent pressure over that whole thing. I find it helps a little bit. Don't know what other people do. Chuck in the comments what you do to get gaskets off. I know there'll be people out there, oh, we just put the gasket, liquid gasket straight over the top of the old stuff. Fine, if it works for you, works for you. I can say that for every engine that I've done, this process with removing the old liquid gasket and putting new stuff over the top of it, I've never had any leaks out of a surface like this from things not sealing properly. That's just me. Touch wood never happens. It's not a fun process to redo it all in the end. But I like doing things once and properly is how I like doing things. Cool. So there's a little bit in this corner. I think that's from probably someone before me, maybe trying to wedge something in there, but that's alright, to split the cases. Don't know. Cool. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. That was the wrong way up. Don't want to be doing that. It's going to scratch it. I can go through it and spray it with. Cool, you can see it there. Marks that are left on it is just pretty much oil and residue and stuff like that. It's all a pretty flat surface all around. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to go have some dinner, seeing it's almost 10 o'clock. I'm going to go around and do the different edges now. Going to do the clutch cover side. Going to do the oil. What's that? You've got clutch cover side and the stator side. So I'm going to go do those surfaces. and then she should be good for cleaning. That's the plan. Hope you like this video. If you do, be sure to subscribe, check out more. There'll be more, plenty more in weeks to come. We're always doing something here at Team Thompson Racing. So, yeah, till then, catch you next time.